When you know your fish is very thick, always good to make a slit in the middle.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Recently, few of my family members, including my wife and me, had a bit of sore throat. Chinese New Year, too much snacks and too much traveling. So I'm going to steam a fish today, just something plain, yeah, to ease our appetite. So I have a beautiful red snapper here. It's actually a red snapper fish tail. I have made few slits on the fish body, right? And then of course you make sure you have washed the fish kidney thoroughly, yeah, so that that is the one of the source of fishiness. I will marinate the fish with a little bit of fine salt and few pieces of ginger. Then I'll send this to the steamer, and after which we will make a simple Cantonese style steamed fish sauce. I have beautiful fresh coriander which I bought this morning from the local wet market, and some new fried garlic and garlic oil. By the way, look at how I slit the fish. I first make few slits vertically like this, then horizontally I made one slit in the middle as well, because this fish is very, very thick, as you can see from here, from the camera. So this why I actually cut it like this on both sides, so that it's easier to steam later, yeah? When you know your fish is very thick, always good to make a slit in the middle. Steam function, standard steam, more steam, about 10 minutes. So we are now building up the heat, yeah, the temperature. After you have heated up your steamer, then you can put in the fish right in the middle and steam it for approximately 10 minutes, yeah. I have one bowl of hot water here. I decided to add in some fried shallot oil as well. Let's add in some premium light soy sauce, about 2 rounds. Then I will add in some fried garlic together with some fried garlic oil. Give it a little bit more complex flavor. I have some fried shallot oil as well. And our steamed fish sauce is ready. See how simple it is. If you like, you can add in a little bit of salt and sugar. This is after 10 minutes. Let it open. Oh, the fish really beautiful. Let me show you. Can you see how beautiful it is? Gorgeous fish. So we shall take it out and remove the fishy water. So here's the fish. I have removed the fishy water. Next thing, I'm going to pour the steamed fish sauce all over the fish. Some fresh coriander on top. And if you want to add more fried garlic, can also. So here's my very simple Cantonese style steamed red snapper fish tail. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button, follow our Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.